Where you at?
I'm outside your house. Come on.
Where we going?
Boy,
You said what?
I got some hand sanitizer.
I'm finna kill these hoes. Hold
Round one, fight!
Open it and put it in my drink.
Why you didn't say please? Be like, please. Try again.
Open it and put it in my drink.
Please.
Please.
Huh?
Please, baby.
Round two, fight!
Boy, why are you touching shit that's not yours? Stop touching shit.
Yo, I just got a little kid meal.
Final round, fight!
Hey man, what's good? Right now we got the crib, we just chilling right now. I'm finna head to the post office though, cause I gotta sell something on the grill. And it be bright in here, hold on. There we go, so I just sold, this is my clear shirt, so I'm finna drop this off at the post office. And then, y'all can fuck with me on here too, I got some shit. My glow, y'all can tap in. All 5-star reviews, you feel me? Alright y'all, so I'm finna pack it now.
No.
As y'all can see, I got it in there. Then we gonna head there.
I don't be like shit don't be fucking caressing us, but it's like when they piss me off, I say gay shit.
This is camera though, this bit hard. They got this wide ass lens on it too.
If you fuck with your homeboy, he say some gay shit to you, you gonna stop talking, right?
No, I'm finna pack this.
Shit like that, we not homies no more.
Bro, like y'all be playing like that, like
I don't never.
And I'm finna pack this, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to the post office.
like
We at Best Buy right now. We can run there and get him some equipment.
Attachments, hold on. You said so I just 30 minutes.
Yeah. Close this to get for the back.
Oh, bro, that was hot as fuck.
Look, bro. He vlogging too.
Bro.
That's the new camera you got.
Yeah, let me know if y'all fucking. I've been getting a lot of compliments on the camera.
Who, everybody?
Definitely. Everybody that came around it. What I gotta do is just get better at my settings.
They were right here. This one I got. So it's actually 30.
30 what?
Thoughts.
What's the difference between that one and the
This one come with the USB-C. This one only come with this. But you can really get this one because you got the adapter. The little gray adapter. So you can really get this one. I only bought this one because I didn't have the adapter at first. But then I noticed the piece started messing up.
Well, shit, I mean, I got the adapter now, so
you might as well just grab this one. These only 20.
Shit, I'm gonna get this one.
Why so? Just in case the adapter mess up.
Should I just so I can have both? I guess.
They got your camera out here. This the camera he got. No, I don't think he got this one. These bitches out. Yeah. They need to fix their shit. Shit fucked up.
Hey, where the batteries? These the batteries right here?
I don't think so. Your camera over here though, so it's probably under it. I need to get my nails done too, so we finna get that. I'm gonna show you how I can book with her though. Real drop everything. I'm gonna get my hair cut and my nails done tomorrow then. See, I just book with Kylie. This how y'all book. I just showed y'all a tutorial. So you niggas out there with the fucked up nail, the dirt between y'all nails. See, my shit decent right now, but I need to get them redone, so. We on the computers right now. These bitches wet. This mouse pad, little as hell. Some of that shit though. So we take care of that. We finna look at my page. Bro, how do you work this bitch? Oh, this has a mouse pad. How my page look like this? Where the fuck my videos at? The fuck? Where the fuck my videos at? Oh, well, you can Google them a little bit.
A lot. Hold on.
6'3" wing, okay.
A lot. Hold on.
I see another thing down here. I don't look too good.
Hold on. Where you see that?
Jail, nigga. Jail and
Jail. I ain't never in jail.
jail and inmate information. Where the fuck my videos at, y'all? There we go. Fun of this guy, right?
You see, getting buckets. This is a bucket right here.
Got that bitch stole.
That
You
was a
lucky I wasn't guarding your ass.
Bro, what? Bro, you got clips of me cooking.
I done took that bitch.
You got clips of me
Oh yeah,
cooking.
we got a hoop video coming out. I'm finna drop that real soon. I'm finna drop this hoop video we got real soon.
I gotta drop a video, period. They think I'm bullshit. They think I ain't out here working.
Yeah, bro. Yo, so I'm on my computer. I'm editing. As y'all can see, we just hit 192. So, the winner of the giveaway, well, the first is my boy. Focus. There we go. YBC Lance, my boy. That's the winner of the first giveaway. Like I told y'all, all y'all had to do is text me GLOW to my car page, and nobody text me. My boy. So my boy just texted me. I let him know what's your cash app, you just won. And yeah, he just won a giveaway at $25. Y'all could have had $25. All y'all had to do is pay attention.
Man, I wish I would have seen the motherfucking boy.
Man.
On that $25, y'all better start playing. Oh, bro.
Like I'm saying, all y'all had to do is just watch. Then I made another post. I'm going to show y'all. I said, if y'all don't know I'm doing a giveaway, I got to do is watch the video and pay attention. I tell you what to do. I'm doing another at 250. And y'all, we almost there, so if you did miss out on this first giveaway, I'm going to do another one at 250 subscribers. And plus, this giveaway is still not over. I'm still doing another one. So if you watch this video here that I'm editing for y'all now, y'all will see what y'all got to do. But I'm not going to put what you got to do in this video. I already put it in my other one. Just pay attention.
Get on my dick, little nigga, get on my dick. Hey, hating ass niggas, you my nigga.
So the walls got knocked down and cleared out. We got the rows up. A little space over here. And then this is where the garage door gonna be at. Right here. This wall knocked down. So this is the logo we're putting on the car. I'm about to take it outside now and get it on. So I'm gonna show you
that's
guys
fine.
that.
I'll be out just a second. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick and I'll grab my pouch.
See, I don't know which one we doing, so I'm gonna just prep both of them by just spraying them with some alcohol and wiping them down. So I'm finna get this set up so y'all can see. I'm finna wrap this, but as I'm wrapping this, let me know down in the comment section if y'all want to see more wrap content, cause I'll bring it to y'all. Wrap content, tent content, how to tent, how to wrap, all that. So y'all let me know down below.
Yeah, I had that girl here last night for like 4 hours, rearranging and organizing vinyl, and yeah, take whatever you need. There's ice in the freezer, but I don't have any cups here, unfortunately. So yeah, I got my phone down. I'm not worried about that. I got the squeegees. So these two got to be changed. But yeah, I also got I got some new blades to try out.
Yeah. These some new blades, y'all. We're gonna put them in. Alright, so we're finna start on it. I'm gonna set y'all up back here so y'all can see. I'm gonna set y'all up on the ground since I ain't got my tripod. Well, I do, but it's not all the way. Alright, so my camera died, but it's charged up now. But as y'all can see, we got this. We got this done. This is the back wrap I was telling you all about. But it's a custom, so we printed it out here, laminated it, and just got it on. So I'm up here right now. My boy Josh just left, so I'm finishing this up, and after this, I'm gonna head to the gas station, and that'll be in for this video. But we do shirts, you know, patches. We do hats. As you can see, this is a hat Josh just got done. Some trucker hats. Here are the patches. Also, we can do shirts. We got the heat presses, so I'll show y'all a little bit of the shop. Here's some of the vinyl. And y'all seen the garage area we got. But we could do shirts, you know. Screen prints. There go another heat press right here. Got another heat press. But yeah, man, so I'm finna finish this up and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. Show y'all the final, what it's looking like. But that's the car. Yeah, hold on. I ain't got them in zoom, but I showed y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever I'm at the gas station or here in a little bit. So, ooh, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I wasn't able to record the outro for that video. I had one, but I just recorded in slow motion, so I wasn't able to put it in there. But this will be the end of this video, man. Right now, I'm finna go record another one for y'all. So this video that I'm recording, I'm about to go record, it'll be posted tomorrow probably. But yeah, y'all, I appreciate y'all for supporting me. I appreciate y'all for staying tuned. I think we had 210 subscribers right now. So yeah, we're definitely growing. So I appreciate y'all. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'm out.
I'm on the better things. I ain't moving around with no niggas that be settling. And it's like I'm booted up and now I'm in my element. Bringing up my past like that shit even close to relevant. Keep that shit in between me and you or you gon' trip without no evidence.